Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 3 of YCT standard course. Today we continue learning how to introduce a friend to others. 大卫是哪国人? This means which country does David come from? This is when you ask someone about their nationality. 大卫是哪国人？大卫是哪国人？他是南非人。This means he is a South African. And this is how you respond to the above question. 他是南非人。他是南非人。国 means country. 人 means a person. 南非 means South Africa. Now, let's make a short dialogue. 大卫是哪国人？他是南非人。This is the end of today's lesson. Please remember to like, share, comment, and also to click the subscribe and notification button. See you next time. Goodbye.